How do fetal rights impact parental rights in family law? Have you ever wondered how fetal rights play a role in parental rights within family law? This topic can be quite complex, so let's break it down in a straightforward way. In family law, fetal rights do not have independent legal recognition. This means that a fetus is not seen as a legal person. Therefore, fetal rights do not directly change or create parental rights. Parental rights typically begin at the moment of birth. This is when a child is legally recognized as a person with rights that parents can exercise. The law gives priority to the rights and autonomy of the pregnant person over the fetus. Courts have consistently ruled that a fetus cannot be treated as a legal child before birth. This means that a pregnant person cannot be legally forced to act in a certain way to protect the fetus. So, what does this mean for parental rights and duties? During pregnancy, parental rights are not established or restricted based on fetal rights. Instead, these rights come into play once the child is born alive and recognized by law. It is interesting to note that the legal view of motherhood often links gestation with motherhood. This connection can provide some indirect protection to the fetus through the pregnant person's legal status. For instance, pregnant individuals may face social and medical expectations to behave in ways that support fetal health. However, these expectations do not translate into enforceable parental rights or duties until after the child is born. Once a child is born, parental rights include responsibilities for the child's welfare, custody, and decision-making. If a child is harmed while in the womb and is born alive, that child may have legal claims against others for injuries caused before birth. However, typically, the mother is not held liable for these claims. Family law also allows child protection agencies to step in after birth if the child's welfare is at risk. In practical terms, family law focuses on protecting the rights and welfare of children after they are born. It also respects the pregnant person's autonomy during pregnancy. Parental rights are defined by legal parenthood, which usually depends on birth and legal recognition, not the status of the fetus. Agreements related to parenthood, especially in cases of assisted reproductive technology, clarify parental rights for everyone involved once the child is born. To sum it up, fetal rights do not directly impact parental rights in family law because a fetus is not recognized as a legal person. Parental rights begin at birth and are shaped by the child's legal status and welfare needs. The rights of the pregnant person during pregnancy are protected to maintain their autonomy.